Hey, what up, everybody? What up, everybody? It's DJ Mo D here coming to you at you again on this Monday, November 11th, Veterans Day. That's right, 2 videos. You say 2 videos in one day? Come on. Yeah. My last video was inspirational video giving you my Veterans Day story. This time I'm coming at you on that financial tip because y'all know, as you know, I love the investment, finance, investing, the stock market, the crypto market. I love investing, and I've come to enjoy talking about it as much as I enjoy talking about sports. Sports is my other love, so I'm gonna start getting into that as well. Yep, you're gonna hear some sports from me as well. I'm gonna be covering a little bit of everything, but I wanted to come to you again, like I said, because the crypto and the stock market is on fire. And I'm talking about on government holiday, Veterans Day. The stock market is open, it's not closed. The stock market is still open today. Everything is trading except for bonds. Can't do any bond trading or selling, buying or selling today. But the crypto market is open 24/7, 365, y'all. 24/7, 365. And then the stock market is open regular time. Closes at 3 o'clock Central Standard Time, 4 o'clock on Eastern Time. All right, so I just wanted to come at you because Bitcoin, the big dog in crypto, Bitcoin, the number one cryptocurrency, man, it is on fire. Right now, Bitcoin is going at $85,000 per coin. Let me say that again, $85,000 a coin. And it's almost 86,000. It's very close to 86,000 right now. To put it all in perspective, just 2 weeks ago, I think it was about 2 weeks ago, get across this street. Just about 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin was at around $67,000, going in, bouncing in between that range. In 2 weeks, almost less than 2 weeks, it has climbed up $20,000. So if somebody got a Bitcoin, anybody that got some Bitcoin, I wish I had some. It ain't me. I wish I had some Bitcoin. If you just had one $20,000 in 2 weeks, 2 of them, 40,000, and so forth and so on. That is crazy money. Ethereum, I love Ethereum. It's the number one altcoin to Bitcoin. It's pushing at, hold on, y'all, I wrote some notes down on a receipt before I came out here. I need to start carrying some note cards to write on, but I got a little postal receipt that I wrote some numbers that I wanted to share with y'all on. Matter of fact, let's see if we can boost this back, y'all. Y'all bear with me. Ethereum, like I said, right now is $3,300 a coin. Now, in the last 2 weeks, it was at $2,300. Last 2 weeks. So it's climbed up $1,000 within the last week and a half, 2 weeks. That's crazy money, y'all. Crazy money. And so, like I mentioned, I don't want anybody. This is not financial advice. This is not financial advice, but these are things that I like watching. I like talking about. I'm into, and so there's power in investing. There's power in crypto. A lot of people still don't believe in the crypto today. I don't know why, but it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Digital currency is the future. The future is here now. And you got an opportunity, as I said in my other videos, to be part of it. So why not get into it? Man, look at the leaves. That's beautiful. That's fall right there. Look at that. That is fall at its finest. Nice sunny day down here in Covington. That's right. Covington, Tennessee, the great state of Tennessee, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful. Back to what I was saying. My coin right now is Chainlink. Chainlink right now is at $14.63 a coin. It's jumped up about $2 in the last couple of weeks. But it's not going to take off. It may take off today. It may take off tomorrow. It may take off really within the next week. We don't know. But it's a trickle-down effect. Everything, I want y'all to think of this. This is a lesson. You don't have to pick up what I'm dropping down, or you can pick up what I'm dropping down. When Bitcoin rises fast. It rises, the Bitcoin dominance rises fast. And I think I explained this before. At some point, Bitcoin's gonna cool off. Not that it won't stop going up, but it's gonna cool off. And then that's when the altcoins take over. So a lot of people start selling the Bitcoin and they put them in the altcoins. And then that's when altcoins start rising. So that's what y'all gonna see happen here. So Chainlink, like I said, it's my favorite coin right now. I'm just waiting patiently. Patience pays off. So yeah, if you want to get in a nice project, get into Chainlink. Make sure you check out my video. I gave a little explanation on Chainlink and what it is. Transitioning over to the stock market. Stock market is doing beautiful as well. The Magnificent Seven, they're doing great. And if you don't know what the Magnificent Seven are, that's Apple. Apple sitting at about $2.23 a share. Tesla right now is at $3.47 a share. I'm gonna tell you, earlier this year, in about, I think it was around April time frame. If you go and look at it, check me out, verify. Don't just listen to what I'm saying. Verify what I'm saying. If you go back to around April time frame, one share of Tesla was $147, and now it is $347 a share. So that's a $200 profit you would have come up if you bought some Tesla back in April. $200 per share. You buy 10 shares, what is that? $2,000. You'd be up on it right now. So that's the power. That's the power of the market that I'm trying to explain and get you to see. Because, like I said, patience pays off. Nvidia's at $144 a share right now. I'm gonna tell you, in my opinion, that's real cheap. That is real cheap at that price right now. And if you don't know what Nvidia does, they are the leading company when it comes to AI, artificial intelligence. I'm telling y'all, artificial intelligence, just like not Coinbase, but cryptocurrency is here to stay. Do you see the growth of artificial intelligence? It's just gonna get bigger and bigger. It ain't going nowhere. It's gonna get bigger and better. So why not invest in the best company that's on top of AI, Nvidia? $144 a share right now. A couple of months ago, you could have got it at a little under $100 because they went through a stock split. They did a stock split. I think it was, if I remember, 20 shares for one, I think it was. 20 shares for one, because it had climbed so fast to, that's the courthouse back there, y'all. Y'all can see that. Yep. It climbed up to, don't quote me, I think it was around between $1,300 and $1,500. So then they did a stock split. It was either 10 for one or 20 for one. And so now what that did, the stock split made it affordable for anybody that couldn't pay $1,300 to $1,500 just for one share. So it made it affordable. But guess what? Eventually it's gonna climb back, in my opinion, it's gonna climb back up to those levels of $1,400, $1,500. Will it take a couple of years? Will it take a year? Who knows? We don't know. But the best thing to do is invest and put some money in it and see where it goes. AI ain't going nowhere. AI is just gonna get bigger and better, just like I said. Hate to sound like a broken record, but it is what it is. What else we got? Google. Can't live without Google. Can't live without YouTube, right? It's at $180 a share. Meta, Facebook. I'm gonna say that one for last. Netflix. Man, Netflix is $805 a share right now. $805 a share right now. At one point, within the last couple of years, it was down to like $300-400 range. $800. The last one I want to share, which is Meta, aka Facebook. As everybody knows, a lot of people are on Facebook. A lot of you use Facebook. I'm on Facebook. I use Facebook. A couple of years ago, 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago, you can ask my family. Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook, he lost in one day, half of his company diminished in price. I mean, he lost so much money. The stock was at around anywhere from $200 to $300 per share. When it fell off in one day, Facebook, Meta, dropped all the way down to $85 a share. And I'm telling y'all, you can verify this with my wife, with my family. This was a couple of years ago, and I basically sent out a text to them. This is the time when these companies, big companies like this, go down in value, and you know it's a good company. That's the time to invest. And I gave them this whole inspirational speech, and I didn't even take my own advice. $85 a share, Facebook was. Again, you could check it out. You could check me out. Go look at the numbers. Go look at the charts and the graphs, and you'll see it dropped to around $85, $90. Today, Facebook is $585 per share. $585 per share. I don't even want to do the math on that. If you just had 10 shares at $85, that you would have bought it at $850, and you got 10 shares right now, $850 would have turned into, what are we at? 485. 585 times 10. You return $85 to $5,085. So basically, you would have made $4,000 or $5,000. Get my numbers mixed up, y'all. Forgive me. But yeah, almost $5,000 from an $850 investment. That's all it takes. So my point is, I know I'm getting long-winded here, so I'm gonna cut it short here. There's power in investing. There's power in the market. If you're gonna get into it, like I said, I'm not coming on here like I'm an expert. Like I've been doing this for, 100 years. My journey just started 4 years ago. But what I want you to do, if you're not on this journey, I'm talking to somebody that's not on this journey, on this investing journey. I want you to know there's power in the market. And all you gotta do is get started. I started with $20 investing. 20 turned into 100, 100 turned into 200. And then you see the power of it. Once you see the power of it, you just see a little power of it, you can see where it'll start to take you. So again, this is not financial advice, but I do encourage anyone that's not investing at this time, it's not too late. It's not too late to start investing. My recommendation, again, not financial advice. If you're gonna get into Bitcoin, I'd wait a little bit. Don't fear into it. A lot of people are gonna fear into things. What goes up comes down in the stock market. And what goes down, if it's good, if it's a good company, if it's a good crypto, it's gonna go back up. That's the key. Those were some of my mistakes getting into this investing. I invested in some companies that were shaky, skeptical. No, go with the big dogs. Go with the proven guys. when you get into investing. If you're just starting investing, that's my advice to you. You got to start off with a strong foundation, a solid foundation. The Magnificent Seven is a solid foundation to start investing in. Crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum is a solid foundation to start investing in crypto. Go with the proven ones. Got a bug here on my camera. But anyways, I just want to leave that with you. Hopefully this inspires somebody. If you're not investing, to get into it. It's money to be made out here. I'm going to keep updating. Like I said, I'm going to talk some sports, talk some life, talk some inspiration. Y'all have a great day. Peace. DJ Mo D out again. What you say?